I vote for Tinubu. I support Tinubu. You like it or not, I don't care. I cannot be a Yoruba boy and go and vote for Igbo.
Well, I hope you saw that. Anyway, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get our updates anytime it drops. And before I show you the concluding part of the video, I want you to note that that is a church of God. Okay, supposedly a church of God. You know now, imagine what is being peddled on such pulpits and what should be the continuous take home of the members. Can you imagine? An alleged man of God, yes, let me put it that way. An alleged man of God is saying, can you imagine what he's saying? Anyway, God will be the judge for whatever a man does. I'm not talking about his support for Tinubu. That is his personal decision. But does he have to mention Igbos inside the church? You know, displaying some form of animosity. I believe the Church of God, if this is one of them, I don't know. I believe they should be wise in, the way they pass their messages. Again, I have no problem with him declaring his interest in voting Tinubu because he's a Yoruba. I may even later talk about that. But my worry is that the kind of people such pulpits targeted against an ethnicity will raise. I wouldn't be surprised if people making such comments are area boys out there. We have seen a lot. I remember how one of our brother, and a lot of people have these stories of, he caught some of these men of God in this fashion in beer parlors, some wielding Indian hemp. Does he have to mention his resentment against Igbos to drive home his point? The other question is, why is he voting Tinubu? Because Tinubu is a Yoruba. So for this guy, his ethnicity is foremost and not his ministry. We're all aware the APC is fielding a Muslim candidate. That should already send a message to us. This man does not care about that. His topmost priority is voting a Yoruba. He also does not care about track records and others. People like this later lamented over the coming of Buhari, wishing Buhari has never had a shot on the biggest political seat in the country. I would like you to watch the rest of the video before I come back.
I vote for Tinubu. I support Tinubu. You like it or not, I don't care. You know me, I am not afraid. You know why? Because if I see another Yoruba person I will support, that is the only Yoruba person I am seeing. Hear me, journalists, if you want to write. If you want to attack me, attack me. I am not a bastard. I cannot be a Yoruba boy and go and vote for Igbo. I'm not afraid. I don't care. I'm not afraid. I have not eaten from Tinubu money. I'm not asking him for money. And I will never ask him for money. I don't need his help. God is my helper. But I am a prophet. If you are one of the youths they are bribing, or some people they are gathering together.
In rounding up, I want to let people know that I am not voting Peter Obi because he's Igbo. I am sorry, but if it were Oji Uzokalo that has soared this high, like Peter Obi is doing, I wouldn't vote him. Anyway, I don't know how Oji Uzokalo will soar this high anyway. I wouldn't vote Anachike Odenwa. I wouldn't vote Mbadeneju. I wouldn't vote Obiano. But I will willingly vote Umahi. I will vote Umahi because I have seen his antecedents. I may vote Ngige. I will vote Osibanjo instead of Oji Uzokalo or Ibazo or Amesh. I would prefer voting Osibanjo. I'm looking at past record and competence. I'm not voting along tribal ethnic lines. So I will advise people not to vote someone because they are of same ethnicity, but because they believe he will bring the desired change. Let's not vote because of our tribe. He said, this, what is it going to offer? That is what matters. Okay, some people say, hey, Tinubu is good. He performed. But old age is a kind of setback. Old age can set someone back. Do you want us to struggle again like we did with Buhari? And Buhari himself even admitted it that he would have done better if not for age. And even Buhari looks stronger. So what are we saying? Like I said, I don't vote because somebody is from my place. No. I'm looking at competence. I'm looking at what somebody has done. I'm looking at the strength, the youthfulness. You know, this reminds me of the regional politics system started by Awo. That will not help any country. No, it won't help any country. You are voting somebody, this regional politics started somehow in the West. Before, Zik won election in Lagos, but it came to a point, they are telling them, do you have to vote an Igbo man? And this is what this man is doing on the pulpit. My brothers, shine on our eyes. It's not about an Igbo man it's about who will fix this country. This country is almost dead because of bad management. It's about who will take us to the promised land. I'm not saying Peter Obi will take us to the promised land, but I'm trying to look at among the rest, who is the best? Among the ones that have declared interest, that have come up, who is better? It's like choosing between the devil and the deep blue sea. In the case that you want to participate, you want to vote, you look at who is, better among the rest. I don't get anything from Peter Obi, and I'm not ready to. And Peter Obi doesn't give shishi. So it's not like I'm being paid to do this. Not just like he said, he's not being paid, but he's voting based on this is from this guy is from my place. And I would like to show us a circulating. Is it? It's been. I think through my WhatsApp, I got this message. You need to see what people are circulating. When I saw the message, I felt so bad. I felt so bad, and anyway, viewers, add your contribution on this show. This is where I round up. Bye bye for now.